Welcome. In this video I will show you how to update Windows on your Alienware Aurora 16. To update Windows on your laptop, you have to open Start menu and go to Settings. Here in Settings, select Windows Update on the sidebar and click Check for Updates right here. This way you will make your device check for available updates, if you have internet of course. So make sure that you have an internet connection, and after that you're gonna have to wait until the updates are downloaded and installed. And if you have to restart your laptop afterwards to apply changes, you will see the respective option right here, clicking which will let you restart your laptop immediately. Also go to Advanced Options, go to Optional Updates, and besides some beta updates, you will also find driver updates here, and downloading and installing them is actually also very important, unless you do so using Dell SupportAssist application. And that's pretty much how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.